Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel DK Physics. Today's presentation, important derivations from chapter gravitation of class 11 physics. Now the first derivation is of escape velocity. Here you can see in the figure, consider a body of mass small m at point A at a distance x from the center of the earth. Let capital M be the mass of the earth and capital R be the radius. Now gravitational force of attraction on body at A is given by F equal to Z mm by x square. Now small work done in moving the body from A to B is dW equal to F dx. Here F is replaced by Z mm by x square. So dW equal to Z mm by x square dx. Now total work done in moving the body from the surface of the earth, that is from x equal to r to x equal to infinity, is given by W equal to dW, integrating dW within the limit of r to infinity. So it becomes W equal to Z mm by x square dx. After integration, we are getting Z mm into minus 1 by infinity plus 1 by r. Now after calculation, the total work done becomes W equal to Z mm by r. Okay. Now if VE is the escape velocity of the body, then kinetic energy is given by half mve square imparted to the body at the surface of the earth will be just sufficient to perform the work W. So we can write half mve square equal to Z mm by r. From here we are getting V, that is escape velocity, equal to root under 2 Gm by r. This is the first form of escape velocity. We can get second form of it by replacing Gm equal to Gr square. So another form is root 2 Gr. Okay. Now expression for gravitational potential energy. First of all, everybody should know what is gravitational potential energy. Okay. Gravitational potential energy of a body at a point in a gravitational field of another body is defined as the amount of work done in bringing the given body from infinity to that point. So here you can see, let small m mass of the body at B. Okay. And this body is at a distance x from the center of the earth. Let capital M be the mass of the earth. Now gravitational force of attraction on the body at B is given by F equal to Z mm by x square. Since the body of mass small m is at a distance x from the center of the earth. Okay. Now small work done in moving the body from B to A is given by dW equal to F dx. F is replaced by G mm by x square. So dW equal to Z mm by x square dx. Now total work done in moving the body from infinity to the point P, that is x equal to r, is given by W equal to integrating G mm by x square dx within the limit of infinity to r. Okay. So after calculation, we are getting W equal to minus G mm by r. This work done is the gravitational potential energy of the body located at distance r from the center of the earth. So we can write gravitational potential energy U equal to minus G mm by r. Now variation of small g, that is acceleration due to gravity with altitude. So here you can see The acceleration due to gravity at point A on the surface of the earth will be z equal to gm by r square. This is equation 1. If gh be the acceleration due to gravity at a point B at a height h from the surface of the earth, then gh equal to gm by r plus h whole square. Equation 2. Taking the ratio of gh by z, we are getting gm by r plus h whole square into r square by gm. Thereafter we are getting r square by r plus h whole square, and after calculating, divide numerator and denominator by r square. Okay, then we are getting 1 plus h by r whole power minus 2, and after binomial expansion we are getting 1 minus 2h by r, neglecting higher powers of h by r. Okay, so gh equal to g into 1 minus 2h by r. This shows that value of acceleration due to gravity decreases with increase in height h. So this was all about from the chapter gravitation. Thank you for watching this video.